right, guys, I am so excited about doing decimals that this is my face for today. It's my excited face. All right, so let's do a real quick number talk. Mrs. Jones went to Staples. Oh, my face pops on and off sometimes. Mrs. Jones went to Staples to get some cap erasers. Cap erasers are 15 cents a piece. How many can she buy for $3? Right, so let's first use cubes. Mrs. Jones went to Staples and cap erasers are 15 cents. How many can she buy with her $3? So we're circling our numbers even though they're words, they are numbers. Let's box some keywords. What keywords do you see in there? If I'm looking at cap and erasers are 15 cents and how many can she buy with her $5, I'm thinking about this cap erasers are 15 cents. This is an each word problem because each one's going to cost a certain amount. So let's think of the strategies we can figure out if I have to buy cap erasers and I only have $3. Well, I'm going to change my words into numbers here, okay? So I have $3, and I'm going to put that into the form of a decimal as well. So there's my total, and I know that each eraser costs 15 cents. Now we can write 15 cents a couple of different ways. I can choose to write it this way, or I can choose to write it this way. Okay, so it's 15 cents, which is the same thing as saying 15 hundredths because a cent is a hundredth of a dollar, or 15 cents in this way. So how can I figure out how many I can buy if I have $3? Let's think of one strategy. I can just do repeated addition. If I have 15 cents, then I can find out, well, what if I have 15 cents and 15 cents and I bought 2 erasers? Well, 2 erasers would equal 30 cents. I could do that again and add 30 more before I get 100, and that's 60 cents. Well, I can do that again. Now I've got 90 cents. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 erasers will get me to 90 cents. So if 6 erasers get me to 90 cents, and that's not even a full dollar yet, I know I could do 90, 90, and 90. I'm going to times that by 3. And I get 270 cents. I remember I've got $3, which is 300 cents. So 270 cents. I can still add another 30 in there to get to my $3. Okay, so let's see how many we had. Here, I've got 90 cents, so that was 6 erasers. I did that 3 times. So I had 6 times 3, that's 18 erasers. And then I added another 30 cents, which is 2 more. So altogether, I can buy 20 erasers. Okay, that's one strategy. Let's think of another way. Well, what about if I took my $3 and I divided it by 15 cents? I don't know how many 15 hundredths are going to go into $3. Well, again, I'm going to transfer it into cents instead of dollars. So instead of $3, let's say that's 300 cents, which is good now. Let's divide that by 15 cents. Well, we can do division when it's whole number by whole number. So how many 15s will go into 30? 2. 2 times 15 is 30. Drop that 0. How many 15s go into 0? 0. So how many 15 cents go into 300 cents? 20. Same answer. That's another strategy. I could also, if I like to draw and do a model, here's my model. I'm going to hold it up close so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, I took my $3, so I had 3 whole dollars, 1, 2, 3, and I shaded in groups of 15. Notice I did a whole tenth for the 1/10. That's my dime, and then my nickel. So that's 15 cents. And I continued to go until I got to the end. There was 10 cents left. Oh, look at that. Remember when we were up here adding and I got to 90 cents? There were 10 cents left. Same thing as I had on here. So I grabbed this 5 cents to go with this one, and I kept going and following that pattern of 15 cents. And look how many I got to. 20. So I could use a model as well. Okay? So when I'm thinking of numbers in decimals, remember that 15 cents is the same thing as 15 hundredths because a cent is just a dollar. Okay? So as you do your iReady lesson today, think about these models and think about those hundredths and tenths as you go through. I'm looking forward to seeing you pass that lesson. So make sure you're watching the lesson and do the best you can on the quiz because your goal is to pass that quiz. And again, that time does not count towards your independent 45 minutes of your independent lessons. It just counts for your Canvas for that day. Have a great day and get excited about decimals. Wow!